So previous class I discussed about that how you can adding for Facebook page like button on your particular page in a particular website. That mean by increase your page likes. Now I'm discuss about that how to increase the Twitter followers by adding the follow button for Twitter option. In this purpose, we have to using for one particular URL that is called publish.twitter.com/ question mark button type is equal follow button. This is a URL. You always keep it in mind. This is a your option. Publish.twitter.com/ question mark button type is equal follow button. Simple, we can follow this. Copy this option, paste it. The two things, embed timeline and Twitter button. I'm using for Twitter button purpose. What the button? Follow button or mention button. I'm selecting for follow button. User code will be generated. Copy the code. Select the position where same right corner in the below of the option will be here. So I'm selecting for option. Where is the previous code will upload. Always remember guys, this code applied by the developers. If you not require any question will be regarding this one, you always asking my YouTube channel comment box. I'm always supporting for any YouTube channel comment box option. If you give support always, your particular option will be here. You can add in for break button. Break button nothing but your space option. Add it. Now refresh. We have two things are here. We can add by your particular option. Here is the button. So this button will be have show for header option. We can show by header option also. Both will be flexible. Here is a particular screen will be here. If you increase the size purpose, we can adding for heading option. So guys, after writing this code will be here. The show to customer will be option in this. Suppose if you're writing for any manual code, suppose I am not using for Twitter publishing option. If you're using for manual code purpose, you can using for this manual code will be here. So this will be note down here. This is our manual code. We adding will be option will be two types. Class option will be here. This also we can use. Simple technique. If you're using copy for Twitter publishing button, the show will be here. So by writing for your manual code, select it. Now click for here. The showing option will be in this like this. So this is your followed by the near particular option. We adding for two options will be here. One is called Twitter publish button. Second will writing for manual code. Is it clear? These are both options we can add in for plugin on the particular website. Same code we can copy from here. Where exactly will be video info is there. Select option. This code will be published for all pages. Most very important by the particular things here. So in this category is not there. Select your option. Here also not there. So in a particular post. In this option, add here video info, edit. Where you can add the code will be here. The place the code will be particular part. So this where is the page where you can using the previous, use the option will be here. Select here and refresh it. Here we can use option and the Twitter followers will be here. So this is called adding for plugin for your Twitter follower button. Two things. One is called Twitter publishing button. Button will be here, follow button, and copy the code. If you're writing any manual code, will be here is a manual code. Only one thing. Here you can change your page name. The username you can change by will be two place. This code you can add by your any website. Is showing for follow by the Twitter option. So that mean by when people will be click this option, how to show the customer like this. That is going to the particular page. Is it clear? This is a compulsory. You can use the option here. If you want it to go for the another tab option. If you go to another tab, you're changing by small code option will be here. There is small code you can show here. So previous they open for the same tab. I'm clicking for open for the new tab option. That is called here we can writing for code will be target double code underscore blank option. Where it is the exact here code option. Where it is here writing for code option will be here. That will be possible by the manual code. Here is the code. Target is equal double quote underscore blank option. After save changes, now previous open for same tab. Now you can refresh. After this refresh. Now if you open any one, open for the different tab. So here just I'm waiting for save this option. Refresh this one. Open for the new tab. So these are method we can use to increase the Twitter follows using for Twitter follow button adding for your website. This method we can using for any website to increase your page likes and Twitter followers option. This method will be used. What are the traffic generating website? They increase by the Twitter followers also. This method compulsory use each website to increase the Twitter followers and the is the best method for any content.